Sorry guys, I'm facing little bit network issue, right? I'm audible, guys.
Okay, no.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
Ravi.
audible.
Now guys, let's understand again. Okay, so this is the topic name is what? Topic name is what? A destination name only, guys. Okay, destination name, right? That has stored the data given by whom? Who's the given the data? Producer application, right? Come on.
Producer only. Yes, Ravi.
And this topic is handled by whom? Zookeeper.
You keep your mind.
Zookeeper.
So
Yes,
data is storing in the topic. How the data is storing? With the name only, na? With the name only. What is the name? What is the name?
G
G
search
search,
data.
right? G search data.
Yes,
And
Ravi.
it's having multiple part, na? Come on, it's having multiple part or not? Or not,
Yes,
guys? Come
Ravi.
on.
Offset.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh? It's having multiple
We are
part.
having, we have
Yes,
multiple.
we have multiple
And it's
partitions.
having what is that? Based on the part, it's having indexes also, na? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
yes,
Ravi.
yes.
Yes.
Yes, so that one only I'm saying. Okay, so now so topics are what? Destination. Topics are destinations, right? Destination name, right? Topics is what? Destination name that store data, right? That store data given, that store data given by producer application, guys. Producer.
Yes.
Given by whom? Producer. And handled by what? Handled by zookeeper, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Handled by what? Zookeeper, right? So how the data is storing? How the data is storing in the topic memory now, guys? Data is what? Data is stored
Offset
stored
wise.
in topics, like how with name, right? With name, with what? With name. And what is that? Multiple. With what? Multiple part, right? With multiple part, na? But with multiple part is nothing but we can say that partition, na? Partition for what? If see this partition, right? This multiple partition, when this multiple partition will create, when this multiple partition will create, when this multiple multiple, right? Multiple, when this
Yes, Ravi.
when this multiple partition will create, if the data is what? Big size of data.
Large
For
data, yes.
Yes.
for what is that? Big size data, right? If big size data is there, then this memory will create, right? Then this memory will create, sorry, this partition will create. So this partition, what we are saying, this partition, this partition will indicate based on that what? ID or index or what is that? Offset, right? Offset is given by what? Given for what?
G search data.
Partition, right? Given for what? Partition, right? So the thing is, guys, okay, just I said, right, if a big data is there, then what is that? The partition will create. But the question is, if big data is there, then what is that? If big data is not there, then what will happen now? That is also question will come now. If partition is not right, means what? If partition size is not provided, then what is that? Default size is 1. What is the default size? Is 1, guys. Come
Okay,
on.
Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
If a partition
One in the
size,
sense,
yeah, if a
And what
partition,
is the size, Ravi?
see, if here we are
size type.
given the size, right? Just three size we only decided. partition size also we only decide it.
Ravi, your voice is breaking.
My voice is
Yes, breaking.
Yeah, Ravi,
Yes.
very much.
Yes.
Breaking.
Now still breaking my voice. Now my voice is breaking,
No.
guys. Yeah. So the question is what if we are not see here, what is that we only specifying based on that data what we are doing, a developer responsibility to specify the partition in topics. Come on, active yourself, guys.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
So if we are not, if we, the
Okay.
question is what if partition size is not provided, if just assume that if we are not providing any what partition size, right? If we are not providing any partition size, then what is the default, what is the default size? Partition size is 1,
One.
One.
One
right?
only.
Full data,
Yes,
Yes.
field, full data is stored in a what? In a one part only, right? Full data
One.
will store in a one part. So that part is what? Only one part will be there. Only one part is there. Clear, guys? Hmm?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So that one only, right? So if a partition, if a partition size, if partition size is what is not if a partition size is not, if partition size is not provided, then default size is what? Size
One.
is 1. Default size is 1. For example, full data store, for data store as a what? One part only. Full data is stored in a one part only. So in the real time, guys, okay, we cannot assume, right? Our producer application can be what? Can be in the .NET application, and our consumer application can be in the what? Can be in a Java application or another languages application, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Hmm?
Ravi.
So
Yes.
people, what the people are doing? Voice is still breaking.
No, Ravi. No.
No, Ravi.
No, Ravi.
No.
Hmm. So
Mine is the same.
same things,
No.
right? So data must what? Data must be in what? Serialized. Data must be serialized or deserialized.
Deserialized. Yes.
Deserialized.
Yes, format.
Deserialized, right? Because
Yes.
consumer and what is that? Producer. Consumer and a producer want what is that? Wants global data. Come on, consumer and producer right? What wants? What is that? Data in what? Data in what? In global format, right? What is the global format data now, guys? JSON data,
JSON data. Ravi.
XML.
XML data, right? These are the global data, global format data. Any programming can understand, right? Any programming can understand. But the question is what? Who's the handling this topic now? Who's the handling this topic now? Who will create the topic?
Zookeeper.
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 Zookeeper is creating the topic, right? But we need to give some instruction, then
Yes.
our zookeeper will create the topic, right? our zookeeper, when our zookeeper will
Yes, Ravi.
create the topic, whenever we are giving some instruction about topic to whom, zookeeper, then zookeeper is creating, right? Directly our zookeeper is not creating topic memory. Come on,
Yes, Ravi, yes. Need some
right?
instruction.
We need to give programmer
Okay.
programmer must give some instruction, right? So programmer programmer has what? Programmer has to give what is that? Give command. What is that? Command to whom? Command to zookeeper.
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 Zookeeper, right? Zookeeper, what is that? Then what is that? Then zookeeper will create what? Then zookeeper will create our topic, right? So like what will we will give what? Some input, right? We need to give some input, like what is that topic name we need to give? Means programmer need, what is that topic name we need to give. After then what is that? Partition size we need to give. After then what? Replication factor. Replication factor dot etc. These things we need to give. Then what will happen? Then our topic memory will create. Come on.
Wait, Ravi.
Hmm?
Yeah, now
Yes,
got
Ravi.
yeah.
Then
Yes.
our what? Partition memory will create. So messages replica, right? So now I'm coming to your point now. So this area we completed. Let's understand this area also, na? So Pradeep, Sandeep, right? Now focus on this area. Now I'm going to
Yeah, yes,
explain.
sir.
So messages replica services, it's sub component of zookeeper. This is the sub component of zookeeper. Clear?
Okay, Ravi.
So now
Yes, Ravi.
I want your activeness here. What is your name?
Sandeep Ravi.
Sandeep, right?
Sandeep.
Because you only
Yeah.
asked, right? Because of that, I'm touching this one. Otherwise, still I started what? Still I started because explanation I can't give directly. Based on that diagram I started to set up, but because of you only I started to giving what and writing these things only. So it support what? Reading actual messages and what? Clone from the consumer data transfer based on what? Topic name given by whom? Producer and what? Consumer,
Consumer.
right? So now replication server, sorry, service, right? Messages replication service is what doing? It's a what? It's doing what is that? Copying the data from what? Topic based on that
Topics.
consumer destination name. What is the consumer destination name?
Research data.
G-search data, right? So
G
what
search
will
data.
happen now? Our zookeeper memory will create one what? Messages replica, right? Message replica or message replication service. We can say message replication service also, or we can say short format what? Message replica. Clear? So it's what? What is the responsibility of messages replica? What is the message replica
Cloning the object.
responsibility? Cloning the object, right? Means what?
Cloning the
Copying
topic data.
copying this, what is that? Data from what? Topic memory, and transferring this what? Data to who? Message broker. Message broker. Hey, message broker, just assume that I want one flat, right? Some construction is going on there. What is that? I want what? Some flat. Then what is the message broker responsibility? Sorry, what is the broker constructor broker responsibility? They are searching what? They are searching the people who need what? Flat, and they are what? Going to construction person, and they are saying that I want one flat, and they are visiting that, and means what? um, mm, consumer, constructor and broker, right? Main party, right? Main party, and what is that? Who is the buyer? Between what broker is working na to buy that flat? Come
Yeah.
on, huh?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
Ravi.
right.
Yes, right.
Same like here. What is that? Broker, message broker. What message broker is they doing? Message broker is what? Taking the clone data, right? Taking the clone data from messages replica, from the messages replica, and that message is giving to whom? Producer. Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
yeah.
Hmm? So here what will happen now? Sorry, here based on that what? Based on that what? Messages replica. Based on that consumer, our what? Message broker plus what? Message replica will create. Message broker and a message replica will create based on that consumer. Clear? If one consumer is there, what?
Yes.
If one consumer is there, one message broker will create, one replica will create. Again, if one consumer will increase, then what will happen now? Then our zookeeper one more replica will create, and what? One more message broker will create, and that message will copy from the topic memory. Now clear? Hmm?
Yeah, clear, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So
Thank you.
so message replica RAPLIC na
Ravi,
replication service. Yes. Yes, ask.
this message replica have entire this message replica have entire data of topic object or some offset data.
Whatever data required, right? Total data, entire data have, because consumer need what? Total data na. So how much data need consumer, right? That much data will be there inside replica.
Okay, Ravi.
Don't worry. Just theory is going on na, because of that. That is the overlapping movie. Your doubt is really nice. Okay, so don't worry, I will clarify your doubts. Okay, we will, whenever we will create multiple consumer, at the time I will show it, right? How much data having in the replica memory, right? So it is what?
Yes.
Sub component of what? Zookeeper, it support reading actual message and clone from consumer data, right? Means what? Clone from, right? Clone for, not from, right? Clone for what? Consumer data, right? Consumer data transfer. Clone for what? Consumer data transfer. Based on what? Based on
Topic memory.
yes, topic memory. Based on what? Topic name, right? Topic name. Based on
Yes,
that,
Ravi.
what topic name given? Based on what? Topic name given, right? So consumer
Yes,
has,
Ravi.
what is that? Consumer has to provide what? First what? ID topic name, so that what? Bootstrap using zookeeper connect with what? Topic. Like what? How the data will come? First, what is that? First what? Our consumer want, what is that? To request to whom? Zookeeper na. Using what? Topic name.
Zookeeper.
Yes, Ravi.
Using what? Topic name. Using what? topic name, so that bootstrap, right? So the bootstrap means what? Bootstrap message broker memory name is what? Bootstrap only, na? Come on, 1 minute. What I explained here,
Yes,
Yes,
serious?
Ravi.
Bootstrap message broker memory,
Bootstrap memory.
that is the
Right, yes.
bootstrap, right? So what will happen
yes,
now?
Ravi.
So what will happen now? G search, right? G search based on the topic name. What is that? Then what? Then the bootstrap that using topic name, so that what? Bootstrap memory will what? Connect using what? Connect using zookeeper, and zookeeper will assign that what is that? Replica, and replica is copying that topic data, na? Come on. And means copying means cloning that topic data, and this one is assigning to who? Message broker.
Message broker.
Message
Yes,
broker.
Ravi.
And
Message
what is
broker.
that? Then what? The message broker is transferring the data to whom? Consumer, right?
Consumer. Yes, Ravi.
To
Yes, Ravi.
consumer.
Yes.
Yeah. Consumer has what? Consumer has to provide ID, topic name, so that what? So that bootstrap using what? Using zookeeper. Using zookeeper,
Yes.
what is that? Connect with what? Connect with topic. Connect with a topic and take replica, right? Take replica spelling is correct. Replica, na?
PLICA.
Yes, PLIC.
PLI.
Yes.
REPLS.
Replica, right? Using what? Replica given it to whom? Message broker. And what? Transfer message broker to it's a giving, right? Taking the replica given to message broker, and message broker is transferring, right? Transferring to whom? Consumer, right? Consumer, right? Message broker is transferring na the data to whom? Consumer, na guys, come on.
Yes.
And
Yes.
the same like, right? So one consumer, right? The question is what? One consumer is connected with what? One message broker and what? One cloning. Means what? One topic only, right? One topic name is connected with what? One message, or what? One message replica. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
Come
Ravi.
on, right? So
Yes.
yes, so one consumer, sorry, one message is what? Connected, right? One message is connected with what? With one consumer, right? Consumer, and what is that? One topic, one consumer, or one topic name, with what? One topic name that takes what? Takes a clone, that takes clone object, right? That's take what? Clone object, and what? And transfer topic to consumer by using what? By using zookeeper. By using what? zookeeper, and what actual data remains in a topic memory is what is that until its max reaches. Okay, so that is the different scenario. Let's do one things, guys. Okay, so now let's start to doing the Apache Kafka setup now, guys. Okay, let's start doing the Apache Kafka setup. So the theory part we covered now, guys. Okay, theory part, whatever the zookeeper theory part is there, how it's working functionality. Now we completed. Now let's enter in the practical area, and in the practical, whatever theory part is there, we will cover, because all theory concept if I put here only, right, that means the everything will go on the top of our brain only, right? No one will understand. So the like what Kafka software explanation we understood. Let's do the setup. Everyone is ready to do the
Yes,
setup
Ravi.
now? Hmm?
Okay, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes.
till now in this diagram and in this explanation, anyone having doubt, guys? Okay, I'm giving the time. Ask again, I will clarify those doubts. Hmm?
It's clear, Ravi.
Anyone?
Ravi, small doubt.
Yes.
Yeah, so once the consumer consume the you can say the data, right? After that, the data is deleted from the topics, or like how it is.
Sorry, one more time, same question.
Uh, when the consumer consume the complete data, right, from the message broker, after that, these the data is deleted from the topics, or it will remain there.
No, still the until unless if our zookeeper server is running, the data will be there. Like because producer is always sending the data, right? So that data is there in the topic memory.
And in replica also, Ravi.
No, replica will destroy. Replica will
Yeah.
once the
Yeah.
data will send, right,
That's
the
a
new
local memory.
then what our zookeeper will destroy this replica and what message broker.
Okay, Ravi.
Data will be there in the topic memory, but the clone copy of messages will delete.
Yes.
One more doubt, like so you are saying like data will remain. So suppose one data will consume, so it is present in topic. Again, new data comes, then it
If
is
see
again
based on
copying in
because
the same topic, right?
so in the topic memory, right, continuous flow data will be there, right? Continuous flow data will be there until 1 minute. 1 minute continuous. See, if our producer is sending one data, right, just assume that our delivery is sent, right? So that data will come in the what destination is nothing but topic memories. So the data till now the data will be there, right? The data until unless the data will come to here what producer. If in the same topic memory, right, in the same topic memory after 30 minutes, if any data is coming, then what will happen now? This data will vanish, right? And then another data will come. That data, because in a one pipe only the data is coming now. If that data is always there here only, then the things will not work until unless if our producer is not sending in the same topic name, right? In the same topic name new data, the data will be there in what topic memory. I hope you are getting my point. No, 1 minute.
Yeah,
No, 1 minute. Just
yeah.
what I'm doing now, just see this, okay? What I'm saying now. So here what, just what, this is a one pipe is there, right? So here we want water and here we are entering the water, right? So whenever we are stopping the water, like pump, so then what will happen? Still just I'm giving the example only, right? So still some water is
Yeah.
left, still some water is left inside that pipe or not? Come on.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Means
Ravi.
what? Here we want water, and here we are supplying the water, right? So if we stop, right, water machine, then what will happen? Still some water is left inside this one or not? Come on. Hmm?
Right.
Next time,
That
just assume that after half an hour, after 30 minutes, what we are doing now, again we are starting this pump machine. Then what will happen again? Then what is that? This water will come here out, and new water will start to flowing inside this pipe now. Come on. Hmm?
yes, Ravi. Yes, yes.
So same like what will happen now, same like, but here this is the memory. Then producer, whenever producer is sending the data using what is that this topic name, so this data will is alive till until unless our producer is not sending new data. Hmm?
Okay. Once it's sent the new data, then older one is vanished, right?
Yeah, older one is what? Vanished. So now
Okay.
let's do the setup. Okay, let's do the setup now, guys. Okay, so let's do Apache Kafka
Yes,
setup
Ravi.
and what command we will understand, guys. Okay, setup and commands. So let's Apache Kafka setup and what command, setup and what command, setup and what commands, right? So first we need to download that zip. So I'm opening what browser? Download Kafka, Kafka, Kafka download. Go to Apache Kafka, right? Go to Apache Kafka downloads or Apache Kafka org, right? Or yeah, Kafka. I also forget Kafka. Any is there? Kafka download only, right? Click the Kafka downloads. Yeah, Apache Kafka is there, na? Come on, Apache Kafka is there, right? So click on the
Yes.
Apache Kafka. Click on the Apache Kafka. Click on the Apache Kafka. Okay, so secure down Scala 2.1.3 is there, Scala 2.3 is there, right? So download first one.
Voice breaking, Ravi.
Yeah, actually the 1 minute.
Voice is
Voice
breaking.
Now still breaking voice.
No,
Not
Ravi, fine
clear.
now.
So now first, what is that first step? Let's take a step to step, right? Let's take a step to step, because later this one will become what? Step one. Step one. Okay, step one, go to this URL, right? After then what? Step two, select what? Select first, right? First one, right? Scala 2.1.2. Okay, click on that. You will reach in this page, right? So HTTP is there, backset. I'm doing front of you only, guys. Okay. Previously, I just in the company directly, I'm working on that. But here we need to do the setup. Until unless if we are not doing the setup, we can't do the work, right? So I'm doing front of you only, right? In the company, I'm doing right, because every day in the
Yes,
company
Ravi.
we don't need. Nah, I'm doing the front of you only. So be with patience only. Listen the session with patience only. I will give each and
No
every
issue,
step.
Ravi. No issue.
So Apache Kafka, right? So here, what is that? Step two. select what? Scala version, right? Select Scala. Scale, right? Scale, yes, C-A-L, scale version. Scale version, right? Scale version, what is that? What was there? 1 minute. Just this one, right? Select,
2.12.
yeah, select this one.
2.12.
Select this one, right? After then what? After then you will reach in the new page whenever you guys will click on that, right? So after then what we will do it? We will choose anything we need to choose. HTTP one we need to choose. Because multiple is there. Okay, take what? This one. Okay, Kafka, this one only, right? In the HTTP URL is there, click on that. It will download. Anywhere mirroring is there. Apache download, Apache Kafka. Because previously it was like mirroring.
Download started, right, Ravi? Do you
Yeah,
want to
download. Yeah, it's
download
downloading
any
now.
other thing?
No. Download is started, but I thought previously
Yeah, it's downloading.
it's a look like something is mirror kind of things was there, but now it's a changed. Like
Okay. That mirror website would be there.
huh?
Yeah, okay, fine. It's downloading. That would be that backup site, Ravi. They will keep in mirror website.
Which one?
It's fine.
This
I
one.
think it's downloaded now.
This one only, right? Release notes. Kafka SRC. This one. This one only, I think. Okay, it's downloaded. Leave it. So next, what we will do it now? We selected one link, right? Choose this link. Step 3. This one, right? After then what we will do it now? We need to extract, right? We need to extract. Yeah. Where we downloaded? In the download doc,
Downloads.
right? We downloaded. So which one is there?
Second line, third one.
Second line, yeah. Now extract it. Extract this one. After extracting, paste this one in the root folder. Copy this one, a cut only. Go inside the C drive. Paste it here. This is the root folder. Na? Yes. Now open this one. Go inside that bin. One window is there. This one is for what? Linux and another, but we are using window operating system now. We need to go inside this one. For the window, we need to go after extracting that. What we need to do? Step 4. Step 4. We need to go inside that what? Bin windows. Bin windows, right? In the bin windows, we will get what? One bat file. So